Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today is Wednesday the 11th and today I am talking about my Asian pear ផ្លែសេរីថ្ងៃនេះគឺជាថ្ងៃទី11ថ្ងៃពុធខ្ញុំចង់និយាយពីរឿង Asian pear tree នេះ So this tree right here is about 4 feet 5 max. And then I have another one ខ្ញុំមានមួយទៀតខ្ញុំមានពីរដើមបងប្អូនខ្ញុំទិញពីរដើមឆ្នាំមុន This is another tree, same thing, Asian pear ដើមសេរីមើលផ្លែនឹងទុនមេឃទៀតអាមួយនេះនឹងទុន There's a lot of fruits here. This is the second year. Got these from Home Depot last year. And last year it doesn't really produce any fruits at all. It didn't really stick. There's no fruits period. But this year the tree is doing very well. ឆ្នាំនេះមានផ្លែច្រើនណាស់បងប្អូនផ្លែនឹងទុនដើមទុនមេឃ This year there's a lot of fruits, that's for sure. Lots. And it seems like the fruits are almost ready to be picked. ចិត្តបេះបានទេបងប្អូនធំ Yeah, I don't put anything here you guys. It's all organic. Organic ទាំងអស់ everything that I'm growing and planting all organic. The only fertilizer that I'm using is the goat fertilizer. That's it. And I only apply it during in the spring. ជីពពែដាក់តែប៉ុណ្្នឹងឯងហើយដាក់តែដើមពេលរដូវផ្ការីកមុននឹងដាំបងប្អូនដាក់តែម្ដងឯង But everything else is all organic. ស្អាតណាស់អូធំ Let's go to the other one. តើមួយទៀតបងប្អូនមើលមួយទៀតអាមួយនេះវារៀងវាច This one is crooked. We need to have some kind of stick to support it. Yeah. Thom mà. Beautiful. Nice and big. There's some good ones and then some of them អាខ្លះណាតកៅស៊ីទៅឬក៏សត្វញ៉ាំ Some of them has bugs. But majority of the fruits are very healthy. Very good. Great shape actually. Get this one right here. Takaw see. There's a hole there, but this one looks fine. There's this right here, it's the same thing. The ones over here. They're doing good. See tom. See, this is how low the tree is. It's about maybe 4.5, 5 feet. កម្ពស់ប៉ុណ្្នឹងដើមហ្នឹងក៏ប៉ុន្តែមានបញ្ហាមួយ The problem is Yeah, we have squirrel problems here. 2 of them came up and they ran on to the tree. They pulled the fruits out and then they took off. អាកប្រុកហ្នឹងវាមកវាលួចវាយកទៅបាត់ហើយវារត់ចេញវារត់ទៅវាទៅញ៉ាំឥឡូវនេះវាបេះចិត្តអស់ហើយវាបេះអាខាងក្រោមអស់ហើយ So they basically harvest this branch and then this side right here, this whole branch right here was loaded with fruits and now it's gone. They took it all. I'm pretty sure that they're going to come back and maybe try to get whatever that's left. See, these are not quite ready for me to harvest yet. It's still hard. It's not quite ready. Maybe about 2 more weeks it'll be ready. You know, I think they're going to still it before I'm able to enjoy this fruits. Beautiful. Oh, it's gorgeous. មើលសត្វតផ្លែដើមទូចមើលខ្ពស់ជាងកូនខ្ញុំក៏ប៉ុន្តែមានផ្លែឈើមានផ្លែសេរីនឹងថឹក2ឆ្នាំហើយដើមនេះបងប្អូន2ឆ្នាំគាត់ឆ្នាំមុនអត់មានផ្លែទេក៏ប៉ុន្តែឆ្នាំនេះមានផ្លែសំណាងឆ្នាំមុនទៅបដាំផ្លែដុះមកទៅវាលួយអស់ប៉ុនមេដៃវាលួយកាត់ក្រហមហើយជ្រុះអស់លេង But this year I'm hoping that I get to get at least a few before the squirrel beats it. មើលសប្បាយចិត្តមែនទែនបងប្អូន
That
At the go, see, the reason why I don't pick this is I'm hoping that when the squirrel comes, they don't notice the black spot and they just harvest the bad ones and keep me the good ones. I'm willing to share with them. I know, you know, that's what we get for living in the country and with nature. You gotta plant enough just to share with them. I don't mind.
That's why farmers make so many crops.
Yep.
Because they know half of it's going to be eaten.
But this is, I'm glad that the new growth is coming out from here. Yeah, bang poon. Lao man ten.
Oh, you step on the rotten one. You're stepping on the rotten one.
Yeah.
Right there.
Just gonna see. Any loy to go yam. The insect or bird or something. This one is cute. See, Asian pear is very expensive. It's very pricey at the supermarket. Let's see. Look at that. Almost. I think maybe 1 more week. 1 or 2 more weeks I'm able to harvest it. Hopefully it sticks. Hopefully they don't steal it before I get to enjoy it. Yeah. Good job, good man.